Good morning, Brat. Buenos dias! Of course, she thinks it's like a routine every morning. She gotta get on the horse to show off for you guys. Ha ha ha! Yeah! I have exciting news. I am finally, officially, what is it? Hip. Finally have the iPhone 5S. So goodbye 4S, goodbye cracked phone, goodbye crappy Sprint service. So excited. People are making fun of me. They're like, well, welcome to the 21st century. Took me a while. I was such a Sprint groupie. Like I've been a Sprint customer since I was 14 years old. Still the same phone number for like 13 years. And I used to work there. So I was always like, I love Sprint. I'm never leaving Sprint. But I want service when I go out. So boyfriend, boy toy convinced me that Verizon was the way to go. Hopefully they won't let me down. And yesterday, my hair's a mess, by the way. See this bump? You know when you sleep, I guess you sleep wrong. Not in your mouth. You sleep wrong. And then a bump shows. Well, yeah, so that's what happened. Uh-oh, you got boogies. Where's the tissue? We got batteries. So now Z can have a lot of her toys functioning like this here Violet. Oh, Violet's awesome. She loved Violet. And I got my handy screwdriver, right? These are called screwdrivers. Let's see if I can get it open. Stay right there, Z. Don't move. Don't move your leg. Don't move your leg. Don't do it. Oh, you moved. Right there. Don't do it. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Oh, crap. It's not working. Ah, crap. Okay, so I can't do Violet because the screwdriver in there is really small and this is really big. And apparently there's more than one size. Yes, yeah, I didn't know that. So now Dada has to do it when he gets home. Let's close Violet up. Give a kiss, kiss. But I think I could do her shopping cart. Ah, crap. Oh, I just hit myself. I can't even do her shopping cart because her shopping cart needs some other kind of tool, not this crap. That sucks. Where are the woman tools? Oh my god. Seriously, like this is crap. It doesn't need a screwdriver. It needs like those thin little blades or something. I don't know. I thought I was gonna have like a whole segment for you guys of all the toys, like, you know, took apart and put batteries in, but that's not gonna happen, obviously. So, boy toy is gonna have a lot of work to do when he gets home. Uh-oh. What happened? What happened? What happened? Jeez Louise, girl. Oh, that's the oven. Around the rosy, pockets full of posy. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. You have to continue walking around, chica. Come here, you have boogies, come. Boogies, you have boogies, come here. I can't wait for Buddha Belly to go to bed, take a nap. She's so annoying today. I mean, since yesterday, you guys seen her, excuse me. Cry. So she's just getting worse and worse. Yeah, I see, I'm talking about you right there, that little nugget right there, who is so annoying. Hey. Yeah, I see you. But I have some awesome news. I was contacted by director Edward, who, oh, sorry, I'm like scratching my arm, so you're moving, from Back on Clock Productions. He needs me for Friday for this short film he's going to do, and I read the script. It's so funny. I love it. I don't want to give you any details of it. Hopefully I'll get to do some behind the scenes on Friday, but we're going to be shooting Friday night. I have to meet with them at 9 o'clock at night, and it's going to go into the wee hours of Saturday morning. That's not what I'm excited about, because I might miss the gym again, because I'll probably be so exhausted. In case you don't know, I was in another short film of his. I had a few lines. It was about technology and all that stuff. I'll leave the link below so you guys can check that out. It was really cool, and I'm so excited to work with him again and then show you the film. You guys will love it, I'm sure. So look out for that as well. Mama and Ziana just chilling on the couch. We've got so much to do, and bothering mommy ain't one. Okay, sorry. I thought it rhymed a little bit. It was that bad, huh? Gonna be. Where's my little Buddha belly? I said Buddha belly, not booty. Where's my Buddha belly? Where's my Buddha belly? Buddha belly, Buddha belly. Buddha belly, Buddha belly. Come on, come to mama. I was gonna take a nap. I'm tired. Hi, Dada.
You're vlogging.
Say hi, Dada. You don't want to talk to Dada?
Hey, Moose.
Say, hey, Moose. And besito? Panic attack, panic attack. We lost Georgia. You have no idea where she is. Like, look at how the heck am I supposed to find her? She's over there crying her eyes out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Kitchen, nothing. What? Have you found Georgia? I don't. Ah! There she is. Look who I found. Is Buddha belly up? Is Buddha belly up? Hi. There's a short nap. What is this? What does mommy have here for you? Cookie Monster, yeah. A big bird. You know what you do with those, Ziana? Look. You're gonna put them here. These are gonna go in your window. Got these at Stop and Shop yesterday. Like that. Wow.
Hi.
Now we do this one too, Big Bird?
Yeah.
Yeah. And Big Bird's gonna go right here. Wow. Yeah.
Let's go.
You can see them every morning now. They only had those two. Wanted to get Abby Cadabby, Elmo, the whole gang, but could only find those two. Say thank you, Mama.
Let's go.
There they go.
Hi.
Are you saying bye-bye? Aww. Say I see you later, guys. Say I see you later, guys. Oh, what a sweet girl. Yeah. Bye-bye. You see them later. What are you doing? You can't jump that high. Say bye-bye. See you later. Yeah. Come on, baby.
Bye-bye.
Aww. Come on, baby. Let's go get something to eat.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Come on. Why are you crying, Zianalise? ¿Por qué lloras? ¿Por qué you cranky baby? Cranky baby again. I'm preparing dinner. I'm making turkey, spaghetti turkey. Yeah, spaghetti with turkey. So meat. Boy Toy's gonna be home late, so I'm getting food done early so we could eat early. At least me and Z. She's gonna go into the cereal box. Watch. Can I help you? What are you doing there? What are you doing there? Nothing. You're just an innocent child sitting there all by herself. Well, I'm gonna have the camera right here, and they're gonna spy on you to see what you do, cause I don't trust you. Yep. Oh, it's not my phone. Thank you.
Yeah. Yo. Yeah. Yeah.
What? Excuse me. Let's sit down. Good girl. I had my back towards her. She's not up to anything bad. Don't trust it. What are you up to? Tell me. Tell me what you're up to. Oh, I know that look. You have the same look I have when you're up to no good. My kitchen is clean. I'm still cooking and my kitchen is clean. For some reason, when Boy Toy cooks or he's in the kitchen's a mess. There's food going on, there's plates everywhere, sauce everywhere. Okay, I have some sauce there that I still have to clean, but I'm cooking. But there'll be sugar on the counter, the spoons everywhere. I mean, it's disgusting. I don't know, men just can't multitask doing more than one thing. I mean, do you guys have that same situation with your boyfriend, husband, brother, dad? Let me know. Like to know I'm not the only one with a somewhat defected Boy Toy. What are you doing? I bought her this book yesterday to help her with potty training. So let's see. Look, Ziana. Off to the store went some lucky girls. And what did they buy? The prettiest undies. Well, in your case, diapers. Hello? The shiniest potties. They bought the shiniest potties and the prettiest undies to wear. Are you mad that you don't have pretty underwear in a sparkly toilet? Whose fault is that? You gotta be big girl. Don't they look good? Now they don't need diapers. They put them all away. Stop being a hater. You wanna wear underwear? You don't want any more diapers? No more diapers? You attacked them. You didn't give them a kiss. You attacked them like a kissing attack. Oh! Why are you fighting with them? We're still waiting for the packages. We're expecting Boy Toys Dr. Dre headphones, Beats by Dre. Expecting my lights. so I could use them for my other channel, which is why I haven't done anything in like 2 weeks. Because I want better lighting. And then his new iPhone case, and that's it. So we're just waiting for all that, and it's now 5:30, and still there's no package for me to show you guys. It sucks. Oh, okay. Oh, look at all the toys. I really don't want this crap, Ziana. Okay. Whoa! Ah! Here's the finished product. Are you gonna eat or are you gonna keep crying for no reason? Oh, look at that face. Oh my gosh, Ziana. Here, you wanna try?
Yeah.
You don't wanna try? Our delivery is here. Who is it?
Yeah.
Our delivery! I'm waiting for you all day.
Sorry. We actually been back home today.
Uh-oh.
Normally I'm here about 3 hours ago, 4 hours ago.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, 3 hours
Uh-oh.
ago. Catch you just now?
Yeah.
Hey, little one.
Say hi, Ziana. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Bye, little
Say
one.
bye.
Good night.
You too. Oh, she's waving. She's waving. Say bye. Ah. Uh-oh. So, boy toy got his gift first before me. Oh, he's gonna be so happy. That is gonna be such a happy little boy. I think I'm gonna hide them from him. Where can I put it? Oh, I know. Put it in the closet where he puts his jacket. Who is it?
The door's unlocked. That means there's a parcel service that was here.
No, I checked. I thought they were gonna leave it there.
No, shut up.
That
This is outside.
No, what?
You pissed
No. So then they still haven't come.
Don't fuck
I opened the door
Don't fuck
because
with me.
no, I'm not. I opened the door because I thought they had
Bro,
left it
I'll probably
there.
kick you in your neck.
You said they might leave it at the door. I didn't have to sign anything.
Oh,
That's what I told them. I didn't have to sign anything.
that's better than be some punked episode.
I wish I knew how to punch. What's that?
I'll cry and kick you in your neck.
What's that? What's that? How the hell did you know?
Listen, I got gung fu. I got kung fu senses, yo.
You know me. He knows me too well, man.
No, something told me to just turn around and go in that closet. Now, where's the other stuff?
No, now I'm serious. I'm
Was
serious.
that UPS truck that dropped it off? Or?
That dropped that off.
Just now?
Yeah.
Just now?
Yes. Like 10 minutes ago. He came in for dinner, you know, gave him a
No,
little
no, seriously.
massage.
If you didn't, you're supposed to receive your life box.
That is it. Yo, you didn't say hi to your daughter.
Hi, baby. Dame the besos.
Oi.
I love you. Look, it's in the box. Open this for daddy. Open.
Man, you guys gotta teach me how to punk him better. I suck at it.
What's in there?
It's for you, Z.
Open it. What is it?
It's like Christmas all over again. Oh.
What is that? Yeah, for you. Happy birthday.
Don't
early.
tease my child like that. Oh my gosh.
I left my butt in the bed this morning.
Yeah, no, I saw it. Oh, hopefully it's still
I'm not going back in
there.
there pissing off again.
Why?
So I went with this thing. Hurt my ear all day. I'm done.
Yeah, he wakes up. Why do you do that?
What?
His alarm goes off at like, say, 6 o'clock in the morning. He snoozes it for another 10 minutes, so
No, I
he
don't.
wakes me up all over
I
again.
have 2 alarms. I have a backup alarm. and
Okay, so 2 alarms wake me up in the morning, so I'm disturbed. And then he's walking in and out of the room 5 times doing I don't know what. What were you
I
doing?
had to make phone calls.
Why you have to walk in and out of the
My
room?
phone was out here charging.
Why?
Because I didn't want
So
it.
why didn't you just get your stuff and come out?
Huh?
Why didn't you get all your clothes and stuff and
Because
come out?
if the job was closed, if the building was closed,
There was no snow outside yet.
Yes,
He
there
thought
was.
that the job was gonna be closed. Men
You
don't
know.
think. Men just they don't care who's sleeping. They don't care. They don't say, okay, you know what? To kill 10 birds with 1 stone.
what? Who's killing 10 birds? 2 birds.
Yeah, but I'm
You
exaggerating.
can't
You
throw a little stone and hit 10 birds at one time. Maybe 2. Let's be realistic. Listen,
Well,
I don't even care about your light box.
if you're a really good shooter, you can
You're
kill
not
10
shooting nothing,
birds.
You're throwing.
Okay, if you're a good thrower, you can kill 10 birds with one stone. One big
yeah.
stone. If it's like a huge stone, right?
That's called a boulder.
Okay, so instead of killing 10 birds with one big boulder. Alright, can you finally get it open?
That's what she said.
The red ones are so much better. The red ones are so much better.
What do you mean?
Those blocks are whack.
I wouldn't. No.
And now, okay,
I buy these because I got these because of Kaepernick. That's it. In Cap we trust.
in Cap we trust. You know, you riding his jock, riding his jock, riding his jock.
That's Sienna.
You know he was promoting the Beats by Dre, not specifically that color.
Yes, no, this is the exact ones he's wearing.
Okay, doesn't mean that that's the only one.
That's the only ones he wore in the commercials. Therefore, that's the only ones.
Well, is he gonna wear every color?
Therefore, we only wear the ones he wears.
Wow! Z, take it off and break it. Come on. She can't. Baby! She knows exactly where to go. I don't hear anything, Mama. Mama.
Careful.
Baby Beats. Shake, 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 shake. Pretend.
See?
Bad idea. Bad move, Dada.
Throw.
Huh?
I just don't want her to throw.
What do you think she's gonna do?
Throw.
Duh.
You want me to put music on?
Bye bye, babe. Say peace.
Oh, I don't trust you now.
She's
Bad
dancing. She's
idea.
dancing.
Anxiety! Bad idea, Dad. Bad idea.